I'm in the fame.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Girls on the Block.
So today we are going to be making our own squishies.
We have this kit and it has paint and we're going to be making our own personalized
And
squishies.
we also got 2 paint brushes. Like
No,
that's a okay. So it comes with a foam brush, which is this. One paintbrush, two puff paints,
and then
to mix the colors
3
up.
squishies.
3 squishies. So we're going to be reviewing this and showing you if you should buy it or not. So
Let's open it up. Oh my god! Look!
So this is the puff thing.
Look at these colors, guys. They're so pretty. Look, Jazzy.
I want to do the love.
And there's 3 squishies, and they're actually good squishies. They're not just...
Okay. It's so pretty. So far, I really like this. This, like, I think this...
They're kind of small, but it's still pretty.
But I think
It's a decent squishy.
Can I have my squishy? You could give it to, like, a friend or... This is the squishiest one.
Is it?
It's so squishy.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to paint them.
Oh.
Wait, let them see.
It looks so gooey. This doesn't...
Yeah, this doesn't look like paint.
That doesn't look like paint.
Maybe it's like specific paint to go on this.
Maybe it's dry paint.
What?
But
let me see.
Oh. Dry paint. I love dry paint and my booty. Okay, so we got all the colors opened. They don't really look like paint.
Yeah, they
There's
kind
a
of look
pink.
gooey.
Like a light mint blue, then a mint green, and some brown, some white, and some black. So pretty decent colors.
Okay, so let's start.
I'm gonna start off with pink.
I think I'm going to use this skinny brush because I want to put in some
Next, want to
detail.
save some for mine? Okay, oh my god.
We don't need to wet it. Why are we wetting it?
But
I don't know. I think I want to
okay,
make
we got
mine
a
pink.
good idea. So we could get.
Wait, bring it over
like
so
that.
Jazzy can get some.
Why is it like that?
I don't know.
It's like not
Okay,
paint.
put it
Oh, this is like different. This is real paint.
It smells.
It smells like real
It's on
paint.
my finger.
Ah,
There's barely anything in here. Like, look at that.
this one smells.
Why would I
Kayla.
wet it?
Let me smell.
It smells
Let me smell.
very but it don't smell
Yeah.
It smells
like
wet.
There's like no pink.
like no pink on my face. How about some on mine?
Okay. I'm starting off with a heart.
I'm gonna do mine pink.
Oh my god, it got on my squishy because it was on my finger.
There's not really a lot of pink, so I don't know if I'm
that
gonna be able
doesn't
to
come
do
off.
it.
So.
It's real paint. You can paint over it.
Yeah, but there's no color that's as dark as that.
You can just like make
Mom,
it
can
something.
I come a little bit closer? This is
There's not a lot of paint at all. Like, how am I supposed to paint this? There's a lot on the
It
top.
doesn't stay.
You know why it's like this? Because it has to dry so we can still squish it. Okay, so I have like one side done. I think I'm gonna do the other side a different color because I don't want to waste
I
all
don't
of the
want to
pink.
make the drink just a
And this paint is not coming off.
wow, 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 wow,
Came
wow,
off on
wow.
mine.
This
Oh yeah, okay, it's coming
the
off.
brown
We were
smells
supposed to mix
bad.
them with.
The brown smells bad.
I could just
Brown
do it on
smells
the
bad.
Oof. I think I'm gonna use this. Wait,
Ew.
which one did you use?
I used that.
So what would you guys rate this so far? This kit out of 10. 10 being the best thing ever.
3.
Really? You don't like it?
No.
Why?
Because they come They should come with those little things where you could like mix the colors up in and more.
But it was only
paintbrushes.
$5.
They should give like 3 paintbrushes, like 3 of everything because there's 3 squishies.
But
Ew.
it was only $5,
looks
so
gooey.
I think it's good because
It looks gooey.
yeah, it does. I think it's good because you know why? A squishy that's like
I think the squishy
Like-
should be bigger.
yeah, but a
way
squishy
too
that's
small.
like pretty big
want
is like
mixed
$5
brown.
itself, and
want
we're
mixed
getting
brown.
even though they're little, we're getting
They should
like a
just
good
be like
squishy.
a little bit
I want
bigger.
makes brown.
Yeah,
And that one's not really squishy.
What makes
Like
brown?
it's not like the same as the
Yeah.
other ones.
I want makes brown.
So
What makes brown, Kayla?
we have brown. It's kind of brown.
white
Makes brown.
and
they
fish.
should come with a little thing that you could like mix the colors
Yeah.
up with.
I got this. The big old black. Oh,
Oh my gosh. This paint.
My favorite color, black.
my favorite color.
Your favorite color is black, Giselle?
My favorite color is silver. That- yeah, I like
You see it?
I like this one, pink and silver.
My favorite color is baby blue.
Ew.
I like this. I like that color.
Like
That's
green.
my favorite
That's
color. Like I could live on that
That's
color.
not
and that
bad.
color.
Live on it.
Yeah, I could live on that. Like I could have everything that color.
I got it everywhere.
That's okay.
I got paint everywhere.
What was it?
Like $5, $10.
Mommy, I don't know how
That's
to
$5 more.
paint stuff. I
15.
don't
That's
know how
why.
to paint it.
Okay, so this is mine. It's like a cup.
Mom, you
Instead of a cup of tea, I want to just make it a cup of hot chocolate. Because I don't drink tea.
I don't know how to paint stuff.
You don't know how?
No, I don't know how to paint
But
stuff.
you
So-
did it.
I wanted to make a little face.
Oh, yours is better.
No. You want to come back? The fans miss you.
Okay, what color?
They want to see you.
Say
hi
to everybody.
I want to do this color.
It shows me like the deleted comments on my laptop. Maybe he deleted them. What if he sees this and he's like, why would you talk about me?
I'm in the fame.
Giselle.
Am I being silly in the camera? Excuse me.
So we're trying to film it. I put a face on mine.
It's just wet.
Look at my face.
Don't get on your fingers.
That's the mash.
Oh yeah, I forgot. We have to put a face on.
So this is my first squishy that I have. And I got paint on my
Mine is the squishy.
Just the West. Okay, what it says?
Arrow pastel.
It says Arrow Pastel. Arrow Pastel.
It's like a nighttime face. This is like a morning face, like when you don't want to get up in the morning. Like this is a morning face,
Yeah.
like when you don't want to get up in the morning. That's what my face looks. So this is my squishy little face,
And show my squishy.
I haven't got to squish it, but I
Like
hope it's very
squish
squishy. I love it. It's like I drew a
It's
little
like
face
so
that's like a
squishy.
morning face, and I put a little heart like a marshmallow. So
like
I
so
really like
squishy.
mine, and I hope you guys like it too. So vote for me down in the comments.
Black
It's a no.
and pink.
You like it?
Mhm.
This is my squishy. I tried to make it really colorful because we didn't have a lot of paint for it to be just one color. And it has a little face. So vote for me. So thank you guys so much for watching this video.
I would give this
I think it's an 8.
Mom, come over here to get a play baby.
I'll give this a 9.
Jesse, give this video a big thumbs up.
And
And make sure
subscribe, and I hope you like the next video.
I hope
Yeah.
you like this video.
I didn't
Subscribe, hit the
like
post notification bell so you know when we post a new video.
And make sure you comment down below because we're giving shout outs to people who comment.
And comment down below whose
And
squishy
comment
looks
down
the
below.
best.
Yes.
Yes.
So see you guys next time.
Bye.